Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Justice reform and security, Italy takes stock in Trieste. At the opening of the 2026 judicial year in Trieste, officials highlighted severe staff shortages, migration pressures, and public concerns about security.
Su questo devo dire, per quanto riguarda la regione, abbiamo fatto un arricchimento importante di personale, continuiamo a fare concorsi, così come mi auguro tutte le altre amministrazioni. Penso alle forze dell'ordine, dove oggi ci sono la scuola di polizia a pieno regime, anche quella di Trieste, il fatto che ovviamente ci troviamo di fronte a blocchi del turnover del passato con i quali dobbiamo fare i conti.
Held at the University of Trieste, the event marked the opening of the 2026 judicial year in Trieste.
Yes, we are welcoming this event that is important for us, for our university, because the Department of Law is one of the departments with the highest tradition.
È importante perché questo è l'anniversario quindi dell'inaugurazione dell'anno giudiziario ed è un momento importante di riflessione su quello che sarà il futuro della magistratura, quello che è lo stato dell'arte delle cose e in particolare anche della situazione del nostro distretto in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
The event also underscored divisions over a judicial reform set to go to a national referendum in March.
Sono convinto che la magistratura abbia tutto da guadagnare da una riforma che la rende più credibile agli occhi dei cittadini.
That we are against this reform, legislative reform of the Italian government, because this reform is against our constitution, is against the independence of the judges, and we are against because we think that we need more investments in justice, but not this reform.
As technology advances, trust remains in the heart of care.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's Health Authority has announced the public competition for admission to the 2025-28 General Medicine Training course, offering funded places for doctors preparing to practice across the region.
Sicuramente è una professione importante, molto importante, che in questo momento è in sofferenza per un'adesione insufficiente rispetto alla domanda che questa funzione straordinaria ha, e quindi già l'avvio di questo corso con una partecipazione significativa.
Rome slows traffic. Will Trieste follow?
As Rome limits its speed in its historical center to 30 kilometers an hour, Trieste's residents debate on whether its city should do the same, weighing safety against traffic concerns.
Nel pieno centro penso di sì, specialmente per i pedoni.
I think it's better to have it at 30, so yeah, maybe it's a good thing. It's more calm, it's better for people, even for noise, so yeah, I think so.
Trieste top dog. Kona sniffs out crime one bust at a time. Trieste's new police dog unit is making an impact. Since May, Conan, a 9-year-old Belgian Malinois, and his handler have helped seize more than 100 cases of illegal drugs, leading to dozens of arrests and citations. Officials say the unit not only catches drugs, but also acts as a strong deterrent in the city's public spaces.
7 months ago, Conan and his handler joined our local police. The results are clear, and I'm really proud of them. And I thank all the municipality of Trieste for this important investment. Conan is a part of NIS, Nucleo Interventi Speciali, but he often work together with other local police units.
La situazione, come un po' in tutto il mondo occidentale, è che sono molto diffusi gli stupefacenti. A Trieste adesso, dopo l'arrivo di Conan, chiaramente è più a conoscenza di chi fa spaccio che ci sono controlli che sono quotidiani, proprio perché il cane è qui con noi ed esce ogni giorno nelle piazze, nei giardini cittadini, e quindi da questo punto di vista sono stati eseguiti numerosi sequestri in 7 mesi. 126 sequestri di stupefacente, in 46 casi era a fini di spaccio, e quindi con la denuncia di chi deteneva queste sostanze stupefacenti.
Muggia celebrates a carnival of community and color.
The 72nd Muggia Carnival runs from February 12th to 18th, featuring a packed program of events, music and family activities. The highlight is the masked parade with allegorical floats on Sunday, February 15th.
I think this is an important appointment for Muggia, the most important appointment. We are working for this situation very positive for Muggia. We think that we have to improve the 72nd Carnival of Muggia. For we, the most important part is the security, and we are working for this.
From Monet to Magritte, modern art comes to Udine.
This is an incredible exhibition. Why? In a tweet, because you have 84 incredible masterpieces of the modern art, and these masterpieces are in an incredible dialogue here in Casa Cavazzini in Udine. Promoturismo of Friuli Venezia Giulia and the local administration of Udine, that is of the town of Udine, that is the heart of the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia, has done this incredible job and work of put together all different realities from Switzerland, from Italy, and from the local artists.
Teatro Verdi's dazzling opening night and standing ovation. On Friday at Teatro Verdi, Rise and Fall of the City of Mahogany offered a bold, unconventional performance with dancers on stage and singers among the audience. The show ended with 7 minutes of applause for the cast. As always, the audience dazzled in glitz and glamour, and we spoke with many about the striking, provocative production.
What do you expect from tonight?
I am curious more than excited because I am always interested in the opera of Brecht and Weiler. Here also to see if there will be some riots about the presence of the Maestro Venezia.
No riots for the conductor Beatrice Venezia, but 7 minutes of applause at the end of the performance.
And what do you expect from tonight?
This is a particular opera, rich of innovation, rich of a modern and contemporary opera, and I'm very curious to know it.
I'm pretty curious. I like the director, also the cast here, so I'm excited about that.
Find out whether money brings you happiness or not.
Well, I'm very excited. I haven't seen it either, but I heard that there's going to be a wide range of different music genres.
This weekend, Friuli Venezia Giulia steals the spotlight.
From perfect weather to open museums, Friuli Venezia Giulia is the place to be this weekend.
I'm loving it. It's very pretty. The weather is very pretty.
We come to Miramare and we will go to the party at Spain, Almeria.
Faccio un giro per la città e oggi siamo venuti nel castello di Miramare per vedere il tramonto.
We're enjoying it very much. It's a beautiful weekend and tomorrow we're going to Venice from the north of Spain.
It's a very sunny weekend, so we are loving it. And we love Trieste.
We just came here. Well, he lives here. He's studying here. We are from Bolivia. And we came because we wanted to visit Trieste. I wanted to see him. I live in Barcelona, so I just wanted to see him. And also we are going tomorrow to Venice for the carnival. So I think it's like a good way to start February.
I'm from Trieste. I live here, and usually I come out with my girlfriend and walk somewhere.
Ma vista la bella giornata abbiamo passato un pomeriggio nel parco di Miramare, che è sempre molto bello.
Siamo proprio fortunati a Trieste di avere uno spazio gratuito per poter passare dei bei momenti piacevoli.
Yeah, weekend is fine. We just came from Madrid. Yeah. We are doing a kind of trip from Spain to Poland because we are from Poland. And yeah, Trieste is pretty nice. The weather is also nice.
This is a mixture of Italian, Austrian, and Slovenian culture. It's amazing. It's pretty different from the other cities we've been to in Italy. So it's amazing. Yeah.
I enjoy the castle. I like the castle, and I'm very happy.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.